In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scenes to your InVideo project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to place your new scene in the perfect spot on your timeline. Start by logging into InVideo using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head straight to your projects area. This is where all your existing videos live. Open the project you want to work on and give it a moment to load the editor. You'll see the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Think of it as the roadmap of your video. Each block represents a scene, and the order here is the order your viewers will see. Next, look for the Scenes section in the editor interface and click it. This opens up the tools you need to manage what appears in your video. Now click Add Scene. You'll be prompted to choose the type of scene you want to insert. If you pick Blank Scene, you'll get a clean, empty canvas. This is great when you want total control and plan to build everything from scratch. If you choose from Template, you'll browse InVideo's library of professionally designed scenes. Templates are perfect when you want a polished look quickly or you need layout inspiration. If you're using a template, select the design that matches your style or the purpose of your video, then add it to your project. The new scene will appear in your timeline. From here, it's all about placement. Click and drag the new scene along the timeline to move it. Slide it between existing scenes until it slots exactly where you want it. This is helpful for adding an intro, inserting a fresh section in the middle, or placing a closing scene at the end. If it doesn't land in the right spot the first time, simply drag it again. You can zoom in on the timeline for finer control, which makes precise placement much easier. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't see the Add Scene option, double check that you're on the Scenes tab. If the timeline looks cramped, expand your browser window or zoom out slightly to get a clearer view of your sequence. And remember, choosing a template doesn't lock you into a look. You can customize it later to match your brand and message. That's it. Log in, open your project, use scenes, click Add Scene, pick blank or template, insert it, and drag it into position on the timeline.